today I promise you'll be able to add cool aesthetic designs to your website or funnel. On screen now is just a quick sample. There's much more. I'm mad excited about this. We're going through this together and I'm dropping info I've never spoke about on this channel before. So before we go ahead and do it, just please like the video and comment part 2 if you want to see a part 2 to this website series. Whatever, let's go. Alright, I loaded up a random template inside GoHighLevel. Now this is boring. This is what everyone else can do. How do we take it to the top 1%? Okay, so I'm going to put the link in the description or just underneath this video. We're going to come to this website here. GoHighLevel CSS, okay? In the description, just click it and you'll be on there. This place is ridiculous, okay? This is what I'm currently using to make my websites elite, okay? So you got some premium ones that are cool. They cost like $1. I mean, it's worth it, I guess. For me, it's like 80p pounds wise. But yeah, it's pretty chill. But honestly, you can get away with just the styles, animations, and free. Let me just show you, for example, this one. We'll do this together, first one. So, neon glow button. First is glowing. Second, look at that. Look how cool that is. So how do we go ahead and do it? They've got a bit of instructions here. Forget that, you can watch my video. So first things first, what we need to do is copy this neo glow button here, like that. Then go onto your website and let's just find a button or add one in. Let's just do this one right here. Then go to styles, scroll all the way down, and then where it says custom class, come here, paste it, press enter. Okay, then you got neo glow button there. Okay, now we're not done. We need to now copy this custom CSS. It's all free, by the way. Go to custom CSS and look at that. Look how cool that is. You cannot tell me that does not deserve a like on this video. That's, to me, that's that. This is just the first thing. I'm trying to go this fast because I hate when YouTubers, I mean, I don't say I'm a YouTuber, but I hate when people make videos and they take 50 years to get to the point. I'm getting to the point, right? So, boom. Just imagine what that does for a client, a customer, when like, it's these little sharp edges that can let you charge that premium, right? Because no one else is doing that. Also, I leave knowledge specifically for my affiliates only. So if you want to sign with Highlevel or upgrade your account, if you use the link in the description, 30 days free trial, plus all the perks on screen, boom. Now, so one-on-one with me, my snapshots, my onboarding checklist, everything there, right? So just go ahead and do that if you want to be my best friend, and gain some more knowledge. So boom, first things first, that looks super cool. Okay, right, into the second one. Now, by the way, I'm not just going through this website and copy and pasting everything. I'm going through 3 different things. First one is the website, okay? So let's choose another one. I mean, yeah, let's just go through. I'm not going to go, obviously, there's not hundreds, but there's quite a bit here. I'm not going to make this a 50-minute video, but we'll go through them. And if you've got any questions, you can message me one-on-one if you're inside my affiliate program. Let's go do this. Is pretty cool. Welcome to GoHighLevel. So, add a headline, open custom CSS, add the class typewriter. Let's have a look at this. Transform your home. Let's add the class typewriter, enter. Now, we need to add a CSS. So look how simple this is. I mean, you can get paid so much more than normal. Guys, this is insane. Boom. Save. Okay, this one looks a bit weird. Let's just preview, see if that's what's going on. Okay, that looks so weird. Well, we're not adding that one in. Okay, that was a miss. But that's fine. Let's carry on. Okay, I'm going to go through one more on this site, and then we'll go through the second tool I use to make the best websites, right? So, I'll go to animations now, and now let's just go down. Let's do this one. Morphing blob background. So what we need to do is add a div with the class Bob inside in your GoHighLevel section. Place this CSS after. Okay, cool. So all you need to do is in your green section here, add a custom code. Add a code element like this. I just did this off camera. And then all we need to do in here is copy this. I just asked ChatGPT to tell me to write it up because I can't be asked to write it. Copy this, add that in, and then after that, you need to go to the custom CSS, same thing, exact same thing. Copy this, and then paste it right at the bottom, and then we can have a quick view, and should be like a moving blob or whatever. So there you go. So you can see it's like moving. And obviously you can go to ChatGPT, change the colors, the way it acts, the way it performs, and just chuck that custom CSS in. So that's the first tool, is this tool here in the description. So use that. Okay, the second tool is this. Now it's 68 pages long of custom GoHighLevel CSS that all my affiliates get for free when they join inside my affiliate program. So yeah, be sure to join, but I'll do this thing because I'm feeling a bit nice. If a ton of people, like I mean a ton of people, comment custom CSS, if I get loads of comments, people saying that, what I'll do is I'll reply to your comment, I'll send it your way, but I need a ton of people because I'd rather just keep this between me and my affiliates. But if loads of people want it, I'm not gonna be that guy to say no. So if loads of people say it, I'll do it. But this is the same thing. It's crazy. 68 bloody pages, right? And it's step by step on how to do each one. Okay, so this is actually my second tool I use to make the best websites, is this 68-page document. Now I can't be bothered to look through 68 pages and find one that I'd love to do right now, because I've made videos about this before on my channel. And the third tool, okay, I guess not a tool, it's more of a technique. Okay, so I'm gonna go through the third technique now. Now the third technique is all inside GoHighLevel. It's mad weird. So this is what I do whenever I'm starting a client's website. Let's say this plumbing one is my main one, okay? What I'll do is I'll go to a new website, but this is like a test sub account. I'll go to templates, and then let's say it was plumbing or whatever it was. Let's say let me just click on something random. Let's say I look at this and I preview this. Now I pick 4 templates and I add them to the account, and I pick parts that I like about each template, copy them and paste them into one giga website, if that makes sense. So for example, let me show you an example. Like, okay, this part here, for whatever reason I just like this, so I'm gonna add this to our sub account. I'm gonna save that section and paste it into our main website. So I'll show you once, and then obviously when you're doing it legit, because these templates are made by GoHighLevel specialists. Like, they've done a really good job, but not an entire good job. Like, they make some sections beautifully, but there's some sections I just don't like. So I pick and choose the sections I like from different templates, squash them into one website, and then it's chill. So like this section here. So what I do, go to the outer green box, come here, name like giga nice section, name it here. So save it to section templates, press save, and then press save here. Now, I don't know if you want me to do this 4 times, but I mean, yeah, it's the same thing. So let's say I really like this section, right? So then I'll go onto my main website. So let me just go back. So I'm not going to even use that again. Come to my main website, go to my home page, and then I'm going to go and add in those elements I like. And then after I've added all those elements, I'm going to like tweak things to make sure it all is coherent. Okay, so let's just go here and then go to saved assets, then go to section templates, and here it is. And there it is. Like, you could just go in, add in the nice parts of different sections. Then obviously this is not a law thing, but I'm just showing you an example, right? But yeah, this is what I do. I've never made a video on this. I've never heard anyone speak about this on YouTube. So like the video and comment Harris, you're a legend if you found that kind of useful, because it's going to save you a bunch of time. Like, when are you going to find this cool little background? Do you know what I'm saying? They build certain sections like incredibly well, and obviously you want to make sure mobile view all looks good. Like, that looks terrible mobile, but still you get the gist of it all. Okay, so they're the 3 tools I use. Now if you found this kind of useful, please do consider subscribing, because I want to I don't know if it's possible, but I'm really trying to get to 5k by the end of this year. I know it's a bit mad, I don't know if that's possible, but I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna be selfless. I'm gonna be that guy that just asks, please, if you did enjoy this video and you kind of like me as a I don't know, if you like me, just subscribe. And then obviously, if you want to sign up with Highlevel, you can do that. Get 30-day free trial. See me bold, which is I need to change that. And then you can sign up free trial, 30-day free trial, plus all the perks on screen now. But yeah, that's all. Please get me to 5k. Please, I need to try to get that 5k. Yeah, that's it. See you later, mate.